Do you feel like you're completely stuck with your weight loss? You've tried everything from cutting carbs, going keto, or even following a carnivore diet, but the scale just won't move. If that sounds like you're in the right place. My name is Michelle Black. I'm a registered nurse, nutritionist, and I specialize with women's health and weight loss. And if you're over 40 and frustrated and feel like nothing seems to work anymore, you're not alone. I struggled with the same thing. And after trying all the fad diets, I've cracked the code to sustainable weight loss. If you're ready for real long-term solutions that work with your body and lifestyle, book your free 30-minute breakthrough call with me. Together, we'll uncover what's holding you back and create a personalized plan so that you can finally lose weight without restrictive diets. Spots fill up fast, so don't wait. The link is in the description below. Let's start by talking about carbs and why carbs are essential, especially after the age of 40. Carbohydrates are one of the 3 macronutrients your body needs to function properly. The right kind of carbs help maintain energy levels, balance hormones, estrogen, and progesterone levels, and keeps your metabolism working efficiently. Many of you have tried the keto, low carb, and carnivore diets. And while initially you may lose weight, it's mostly water or muscle loss. They often fail for long run for several reasons. First, they restrict carbohydrates, which leads to muscle loss, hormonal imbalances, and eventually more fat storage. In fact, cutting carbs can wreak havoc on your metabolism. These diets can make menopausal symptoms worse, like hot flashes, sugar cravings, thyroid problems even worse. And let's not forget about the fatigue and brain fog that many of us have on those diets. But it's often water or muscle mass loss with these diets, not actual body fat. Your body needs the right kind of carbs to produce energy and absorb important nutrients. Without them, you risk slowing down your metabolism, which can actually make it harder to lose weight in the long term. I've seen clients on low carb or keto diets actually develop issues with hypothyroidism, worsening PCOS, increased breast cancer risk. But when we reintroduce the right carbs at the right time back into their diets, many of these symptoms improve and often disappear. And then they finally start losing weight in a sustainable way. The key isn't cutting out carbs, it's choosing the right carbs and pairing them correctly. Think nutrient dense, carbs like sweet potatoes, oats, and quinoa, rather than the processed junk foods like white bread and chips. When you pair carbs with proteins and high nutrient fats, you stabilize your blood sugar. And when you stabilize your blood sugar, you avoid the spikes that lead to fat storage and sugar cravings. If you're tired of restrictive diets and ready to embrace carbs, drop a comment that says, "I love carbs." That simple change can make a world of difference in your energy levels and waistline. One of the most important steps you can take is tracking your foods. Not to restrict, but to get a clear picture of what you're actually consuming each day. Studies show that we underestimate our portions as much as 50%. By tracking for 30 days, you'll see how much you're actually consuming. I've got a link in the description below for my favorite food tracking app. Here's the real key to long-term success with carbs. You always want to pair or put your carbs with a protein and a high nutrient fat source in each snack or meal. This helps stabilize your blood sugar and helps your metabolism work more efficiently, allowing you to burn fat instead of storing it. When you focus on balancing your meals, it becomes easier to lose weight and not having to give up carbs or to follow any restricted diets such as keto, low carb, or even carnivore. If you've been feeling stuck, like nothing you do is working anymore, I'm here to help. Let's create a personalized plan that fits your lifestyle and gets you the results you want. Book your free 30-minute nutrition breakthrough call with me today. The link is in the description below. We'll identify what's holding you back, personalize a sustainable nutrition and lifestyle plan, and set realistic goals that fit your busy life. Spots fill up fast, so don't miss out. And don't forget to watch the next video.